Here we have a 2013 Volkswagen Golf. Vehicle has a 2.5 liter inline 5-cylinder engine and automatic transmission and has just over 51,000 kilometers on it. For the interior of the Volkswagen, we have your power mirror, window, and lock switches located by the door handle there. We have a nice little carpeted storage area underneath. Interior is a nice black on black combination. You got your cloth seats. Both the passenger and driver's seat are power operated, but only for the backrest. So you just move this little dial, moves that back and forth, and everything else is manually operated. Key just right there. Starts up nice and easy. Has 51,016 kilometers on the odometer there. Over here we have your headlight control and your gauge cluster illumination. You'll find your cruise control located on the turn signal stalk, your Bluetooth audio control and your stereo control on this side, and this side would be your gauge cluster display control. Stereo has AM and FM radio, a CD player, and an aux input. Down here we have your climate control with air conditioning. Both the front seats are heated, and it's just the buttons in the center of the dials. As such, three levels of heat for each one. Automatic transmission. Got your button for traction control there. And in the little storage compartment underneath, there's actually another storage compartment in that storage compartment with a 12-volt outlet there. Close that up. You have your handbrake and your cup holders. Find your aux input integrated into the center console, so it's nice and easy to access. For the center console, you have a media input there, a little storage compartment by that, and a shallower storage compartment as well. Interior is in great condition. Volkswagen has 16-inch factory alloy wheels wrapped in hand-cooked tires. Also comes with a second set of tires on steel wheels there. Exterior is a nice silver color. Got your turn signals integrated into the side mirrors as well. Being the Golf, you do get a 4-door hatchback, 4-wheel disc brakes, .5 liter. And then to access the trunk area, make sure the vehicle is unlocked. You actually pull up the Volkswagen, do it again, and gives you easy access to the rear storage area. And then you are able to fold down the second row seating and get more storage space. With it being a hatchback, you can put actually some decent sized items in the back of the Volkswagen Golf. For the rear interior, you have your power window switch located just by the door handle. Nice little tweeter speaker right there, and the full-size one is still at the bottom. Both the front seats have little storage pockets, and you have your vent in the back for the rear passengers. The rear seats are a 60-40 split, with the center console just being a little pull down here, nice and sturdy. Gives you 2 cup holders. And back here you can see there's the cargo cover there, kind of separate the storage area in the back from the passenger cabin. And then if you're wanting to lower the seats, you just pull this lever here, drop it down, nice and easy, so you can actually fit a lot back here. Even more if you were to take out the storage cover, and then to put it back, just nice and easy. And that was the 2013 Volkswagen Golf. If you're interested in this car, you can go to parkmazda.ca to fill out the form to book your test drive. When you come down, we can get you a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.